Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans. Oshimiri one tan tan. Oshimiri one tan tan. Oshimiri one tan tan. Yo. Are you ready with your mommy waters then? Are you ready? Hey, my lovely fans. Yo leave the body of Christ. He say na mommy water. Mommy water have a lot to give. Oh. Hey, they don't they give you blessing. Blessing upon blessing. Now you they receive. Hey, all your ways don't open. Mommy water is really blessing him. Make una carry joko, carry chair. Make una come see another blessing. Where God bless you. When mommy water bless you. Oshimiri one tanta. No be you say you won't follow. Make una carry check on your tori o. Another blessing from the mommy water kingdom have hit you. Because when they ask him in the interview, say, Christian or traditionalist, which one you dey? He stand on tradition. So, as long as he believes, say this mommy water, na he be God. Oh yeah, make una come see how mommy water take bless am. My lovely fans, they said they did a test on Juju Ekwensu Universal Thunder. Now, no say they say the pikin na a man and woman. They say the pikin na she may be man and woman won't call her. So, they want to do the final test on the child because the body don't they grow, the organs don't they grow. They need to do the operation to know exactly where the child belongs. So they went to the hospital, they did all the necessary tests, and they told them that they will call them when the whole result is ready, before they know what to tell them to do, if they will still go ahead with the surgery or they won't do the surgery, if it is necessary or not. So they went to do all the tests on this child. My people, the result, Oshimiri one tan tan. Mommy water people. Here we sit down. Mama Juju Ekwensu come all the way from Umoji to Abuja. Check the distance. Carry mommy water from Umoji come Abuja. Come they put this pikin, initiate this pikin, dedicate this pikin to mommy water. Dedicate this child to mommy water. You sit down there, they look like the joko way they use and say do for their kingdom. After the mother did her own, the sister also. Now this one, I scatter everything. This one. Juju Ekwensu daughter is a wine. This one is a wine. Hey! So all the daughters from this family, they are all is a wine. Yo. How are you going to settle? How are you going to survive this mommy waters then where they just surround you? Juju Ekwensu's sister now do the worst. She did not only dedicate this child, she made this child an easy wine. Easy wine. Hey! Oh, my people, things are happening. Now the information coming to us is that in the household of Yo, they received the worst, this one was too, the worst news of their life. Yo cannot believe what they hear. What the daughter tell her is shocking. This child now, you all know that the child is a chime. As they never do surgery, Juju Ekwensu supposed hide the identity of this child. But because she was curious to have a baby girl, who know whether they go turn the pikin? You know, say that they change pikin. Who know whether she go change the pikin? The test where they go do, doctor don't call them. Say, may they come collect results. Now Juju Ekwensu go collect results. As Juju Ekwensu go collect results, waiting they tell Juju Ekwensu, he not believe it. Juju Ekwensu could not believe her ear. She started calling Yo. The daughter, they also spoke to Yo and said, if you want to come, you can come. Let them explain. So, according to waiting the result talk, the results confirmed that the child is 90% of a man and just 10% of a woman. Everything about the child is a boy. It just has, he or she just have 10% of being a woman. So, if they want to do any surgery, they decide to do a surgery by making this child a boy, taking off the part of a woman so that it will be a boy. That means 19% this child is a boy. He or she just have only 10% of being a woman. Oshimiri one tan tan. Hey! Oshimiri one tan tan. Juju Ekwensu fento. You say, boy, kini kan, how? Kilonde, how is he a boy? He cannot be a boy. He have to be a girl. By force girl. The doctor say, with the test and everything they did, making she a girl, they will later feel him if he grow. The child have 90% of a boy, just 10% of a girl. Juju Ekwensu can go home and think about it. They've not done anything yet. There is no need for her to be shouting and crying. They say she dey shout, she dey cry. Hey, our enemies don't come. Be Edochie, he don't come. He talk am. Hey, Daniela, hey. Now so he put hand for head, they shout. Doctor tell her, say there is no need to shout. Go home and think about it. If you won't do and forget, know that wetin you change to get is a boy. If you want him to be a boy, that will be better according to their exam. My people, una dey see wetin Oshimiri one tanta dey do. Oshimiri one tanta. Desperation to have a baby girl. He don't land Juju Ekwensu for another thing. Desperation to have a girl child. I will give you a girl. I will give you a girl. See how they don't go born Shima be na Hima. We don't know wetin they born now. Juju Ekwensu put for hand for head, they shout. Papa yo, wey dey for inside, say na hello, say na abomination. Pikin wey they don't call girl finish. How na won't call do am, na call they call am boy. Hey! From storm to what? Na storm to calm, I be waiting na won't call am. Peter Edochie say na hello, na forbidden thing. That child is a forbidden thing. That child cannot enter Intenje. It's a forbidden thing. My people, wonder shall never end though. They say you don't confuse. Because at this point, it's either they make that child by force a girl. The child is nowhere close to a girl. Not be even 50, not be even 70%. No, it's okay. Like this child have 10% of being a girl. 90% of being a man. This child is a man. A baby boy. Juju Ekwensu ogini me. This pikin, there is nothing you want to tell me. Now turn, they go turn am. They go change am. But the thing backfire them. Now, according to Pete Edochie said the child is an Ogbanje. Strong Ogbanje. He said Ogbanje, that they come in a confused way. Because they don't come live so many times. Boy, girl. Sometimes they come live confused. They don't even know what they are. So Pete Edochie, according to him, he said apart from the child being a strong Ogbanje, which they don't have in their own lineage, they don't get anything relating to Ogbanje. They don't have anything relating to marine spirits in their own lineage. So this whole thing is not coming from them. Where Juju Ekwensu for see and they don't know. This thing is not coming from them. And Juju Ekwensu now, I don't tell all of una say she born baby girl. Say na baby girl now she born. Now, how are they going to change baby girl to baby boy? When she knows say this pikin get this situation, because definitely when they born the pikin now they see am. So why didn't she hide the identity? Mami Water don tell them say na girl go give them. Now Mami Water give them she ma be na mashi. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. You see this life, humble yourself, for no one knows tomorrow. Humble yourself. They born this girl, they don't let us hear word. They born this he, she, they don't let us hear word. Shout, 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 shout. Yeah, you're my princess, my queen, my this. See princess now. Princess to prince, your queen to king. The doctor say if they decide to make her a girl, say then they go feel am for future. The child will give them problem because he no get those girl things inside her. She's a man. That's even the man side. When it comes to the private part, the man side don't big past the woman side. The woman side, you just saying you'll be like, waiting the your gum for there. But the man side just they grow. The woman side no grow past where they stay born, but the man side they increase. That means the child is a man. So the final exam don't come aside, and the doctor said the child is 90% of a man. If they want to do any operation, now the bekus they go remove. Now tell me, how Juju is who want to change their princess to prince, their queen to king? Hey, Mami Water, different problem now they follow them. See where you land yourself. If you dey with your wife, now all this story no go dey hear am. How many children me Edo she born for her? Did you ever see anyone wey bend neck like Stadike, wey confused, you don't know the word wey dey? That child is not confused. That child is more in the other world than in this world. Don't get me wrong. There are children that are autism, or they call them natural. But Juju is will not be natural. The children are more of the other world than in this world. All those times when you see and say they confused, they the other world. Now, see this one. When you mingle with Mami Water, this is what you get. These are their gifts. See, the pikin wey they dedicate. This small pikin na is in wine. As she can't be in wine. Now, chief priest you come be now. Hey, my people. May be careful of the kind of women where you mingle with. Oh. Be very, very careful of the kind of women you mingle with. Wonder shall never end. My lovely fans, what do you guys think? Juju Ekwesu should leave this child as a girl to please us, or rather give the child his true identity, which is a boy. What a shame and disgrace. Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. See Anna, baby girl don't change to baby boy. Mami Water don't fail una. When you begin to do evil, see evil. All the evil when you don't do me and those children. See how devil they conk your head. How do you even explain this? They say Peter Doshe say me they not try carry this thing here he get to. Me they not call use and spoil the things we put for your house. Peter Doshe say all this kind of thing they are cost children. Say me they not carry her near a house. They want to born baby girl. They want to do competition with me Doshe. See where Juju Ekwesu end up. All in the name of competition. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.